Hi. Sprichst du Deutsch zufälligerweise?
Speak English.
Shit. I needed someone German speaking. But you are hella cute. And you looked interesting photographing or... yeah, photographing. The scene. Are you from the UK?
The park culture. No, I'm from New Zealand.
New Zealand?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, I just talked about New Zealand.
Wow.
What the hell?
You just talked about it?
Yeah,
Must
and I
have
was
decided.
there actually.
Oh, cool. Which
Like
part?
every German basically.
Well, yeah, Germans do love New Zealand. And I'm coming here and I'm wondering why. Because New Zealand sucks in comparison.
Pretty cool too here, right?
Pretty cool too. You live here?
Yeah.
Yeah? You were looking for someone German speaking, or is that just...
yeah, I mean, people that live here are generally a little bit more interesting.
Okay.
Not because of travelers are shit,
True.
but like to approach them and get their numbers and marry them and stuff like that, you know? Like,
Oh, so you're looking for a German wife.
exactly. I was looking for a wife and you kind of look like a good candidate, but now I have to decline again.
That's unfortunate.
No,
Unfortunate for you.
totally a joke, totally a joke. Which city are you from though?
South Island, Christchurch.
Christchurch, oh my god.
I was born in Queenstown. But
Oh, Jesus Christ. I have such an insane story in Christchurch.
alright.
I was traveling with my friends at the time, and I was like 10 years ago. And like,
Stopped along the way. But
no, that's
I'm
totally fine, but I wanted to tell you now.
I'm
Like,
listening, yeah.
that's insane. Yeah, take your photo, take your time. I still have some.
Should have bought my tongs. I knew I'd regret that.
Hmm?
Should have bought my tongs. Oh, you don't know what that is.
No.
My bikini.
Your bikini?
You know what that is?
Yeah, probably.
Swimwear.
Yeah. No, I don't know what a bikini is. I'm stupid as hell. Okay, yeah, that makes sense, yeah. But yeah,
Continue, you're a Christchurch with your
the
friends.
river is fucking cold, if you ever wondered.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd love some cold water.
It's called, in German, or the translation should be Ice River. Yeah.
Ice river.
Yeah.
Okay, so really fucking cold.
It's really fucking cold, exactly. So, the story of Christchurch. I was there with my friends and we, at the time we did like a program where we tried to heal our childhood trauma, basically.
Bit of shadow work.
A little bit of shadow work, exactly.
Yeah.
And Christchurch was the location, the most intense breakthrough in my life without drugs. For sure. Totally sober.
Christchurch.
Yeah.
Were you in Hagley Park in the garden?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah? It's pretty in there.
Isn't there only one
Yeah.
park or yeah?
Yeah, the big one.
Yeah. Okay, then I was there. Yeah, in the grass, sitting there, crying my eyes out, and
Wow.
it was fucking
So
intense.
you really unpacked your childhood trauma.
Yeah.
In my hometown.
Yeah.
Wow.
Great. Right. Thank you
Maybe
for
I'll
having
unpack
that
some of
time.
mine and yours.
I mean, yeah, if you're traveling, that's like one of the best things you can do, probably, right?
Well, yeah, that's
Not the typical environment. You can let go of everything all at once, ideally.
surrender to it all, trust the process.
Exactly. You seem
Yeah.
spiritual too, a little bit.
I see what?
You seem like a little bit spiritual
Yes.
too.
Yes,
Yeah.
I am. Well, I grew up religious, Christian.
Like really hardcore, or
Yeah, like really hardcore.
and now you are a rebel.
No, I went through my rebel phase. Yeah, for sure, I rebelled. No, I just am just trying to figure it out. Eat, pray, love. You know how it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
30.
30.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Never would have guessed that.
Oh, everyone says that.
You look way younger.
It's a compliment.
Yeah, totally. You take it as a compliment for sure.
And how old are you?
Now you gotta guess.
Well, I would say 30.
No,
Oh, older or younger?
a little bit younger.
A little bit younger, 28.
28. Pretty accurate.
Good, good, good. Good age, 28.
I thought I looked super young, actually, but now,
Maybe it's the facial hair.
yeah, maybe
It's the age in you.
gotta trim that shit.
Wow, it's so beautiful here.
Yep. You probably choose the right day for it because normally it's so packed that you can't even walk through the.
Really?
Yeah. Like
Tomorrow,
everything
maybe?
is.
Tomorrow's supposed to be hot.
Maybe Friday, but like Saturday and Sunday are more like the days where everything is going crazy.
True.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, why wouldn't you come here on your weekend in
Yeah.
summertime?
How long are you staying for?
I haven't decided. It's expensive here.
Yeah, it's expensive in New Zealand too.
Oh yeah, New Zealand's fucked.
Jesus Christ, yeah.
Cost of living is crazy.
Yep. I burned all my business's money at the time when I was there. And I was trying to work in McDonald's and in, I guess, libraries too sometimes. I think I worked in the library of Christchurch.
To get money while traveling?
Yeah, I had an online business. Like,
Wow.
I was self-employed my whole life.
Wow.
And, but, I mean, at that time, we traveled more than... What do you work as?
Nobody ever gets this in my New Zealand accent, but I work for a tech company.
A tick?
Tech. T-E-C-H. Tech. Technology.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
And in what area? Like, are you...
Product. In the product team.
Mm-hmm. So, like, design more, or would...
I was the product marketing manager.
Mm-hmm.
So
kind of creative.
kind of creative, yeah.
Depends on the tech.
I'm a strategic thinker. I was essentially doing the brand strategy, the positioning for it.
Okay, I like that.
But then I got corporate burnout.
Corporate burnout, and then you decided, let's go to Germany and let's get approached by a random German dude.
Well, I actually decided let's go to Mexico. And so
Well,
I stayed in
that's
Mexico
a little
for 2 months.
bit far.
And I loved it so much, but it's the wet season and it was a bit too hot for me.
Okay.
So I just arrived here yesterday from
Ooh,
Mexico.
okay, interesting.
And I've got 6 weeks in Germany.
What a journey. And are you traveling around, or are you staying in
Yeah,
Munich?
of course. Yeah.
Okay.
I've got friends in Berlin, I've got friends in Hamburg, and I've got friends in Cologne.
So next stop is Berlin then, I guess.
Free accommodation as much as I can get.
Of course, couch surfing all the way.
All the way. And do you have any recommendations of where I should go in between Munich and Berlin? Quite a way.
It's like usually I don't even leave Munich anymore.
Right.
Because-
Is it Leipzig? No.
Leipzig, yep, is okay.
It's okay?
Yeah, the thing is, you started in the best city.
No.
That's the problem.
I know.
Yeah.
I've been here before and I loved it, so I came back. But last time I was in a toxic relationship and I dissociated the entire time. So
Wow.
I'm enjoying it much more this
Wow. Okay, maybe the childhood trauma release actually happens
time.
here.
No, yeah.
Yeah, that would be.
Already. Good thing I brought my
That would be
journal.
great. Yeah. I have to go this way actually.
Well, it was nice to meet you.
Nice to
I'm
meet
gonna
you
find
too.
a tree to read my book under.
Yeah, perfect. Do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Let's just exchange that. You are
Yeah.
actually cool.
Well, thank you. You can keep up with
I
me.
gotta tell you my biggest red flag though.
Your biggest red flag?
Yeah, before we exchange that.
Is it my passcode?
No,
No.
no, I am in an open relationship.
Ah.
That's-
Oh, that's your biggest red flag.
That's my biggest red flag. Oh, you thought about you.
Oh, yeah, I was like, wow, okay, early. Hey, that's cool, that's modern.
Yeah, that's it's pretty modern, yeah.
And so you're usually just from the park looking for someone to participate?
No, I was just taking a work break actually,
Oh,
and
nice.
you inspired me to approach you, I guess. And for a reason too, right? Christchurch.